Okay, we're being asked to calculate, in this case, based on the question, I can tell that we're being asked to calculate how much tax was paid and then a paycheck amount. And it's going to be based off of the question we see here. Reading it out, psychotherapy is the use of psychological methods, particularly when based on regular personal interaction, to help a person change or overcome problems in desired ways. Cool information, nothing really useful for my question though, it's just a bit of background. As a psychotherapist working for Feelgood PLC, again, nothing too important, you'll be earning a salary of $58,000. Important information. So we know that when we calculate our taxes, it's going to start with what our actual salary was, our gross pay. And you will get paid semi-annually. Also important because how often we get paid is going to determine how much money goes into our paycheck. Our tax status is currently filing single, so we know that's going to be important when it comes to looking up our rates. And we claimed one allowance on our W-4. So one allowance, a single allowance, we know that's going to have an effect on our amount of tax paid because claiming an allowance will reduce our taxable income, which means we're going to pay less tax in the end. As an employee in Maryland, so we are paying Maryland state tax, we know we are liable for Social Security and Medicare. Anyone in the US has to pay that. And a little key information there, there's 7.65%, so that's the tax rate for the two of those combined. We have federal income tax and Maryland state tax. So we've got 4 different taxes that we pay on a basic paycheck. We're also going to contribute $8,700 to a Roth 401k. So we know Roth means that it's going to be paid after tax as opposed to a traditional IRA. And then we are filing our taxes in the 2018 fiscal year. So we're basing it off of the new tax rates that just got published recently. Calculate the amount of tax you'll pay and what your net income will be per paycheck. So we're going to have to go through all of the different taxes, take out the 401k payment as well, and then divide it by, we're being paid semi-annually, so that's 2 paychecks a year, so we're going to divide that by 2, and that will be our paycheck amount.